Hi everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm here at the L2 Uptown, in Dallas, Texas. I'm at their one bedroom, and now we're about to go into the bedroom and bath. So I've walked in the bedroom. Okay, this is pretty cool. This is the king bed that's here. It's really attractive. Love this king bed. This is the king bed. This is the very nice window that's here. And it does have a really nice carpet here too. Really nice. I love just the walls too. It's just kind of a beige. It's very nice, very neutral. And then we walk into the bathroom. This is what the bathroom looks like. Very attractive as well. Really pretty. That's kind of a looks like a granite countertop. It's really nice. Really tall in here too. That's what I'm noticing. Super tall shower with that bath in there, bedroom, in the tub. And then you've got a nice closet in here. The closet's really cool. You got a lot of space. Wow, you got some really nice off-season storage there too. That's a great feature. Love seeing that. I don't see that a lot, so I love seeing that too. So what I'm getting from all this is a really big apartment, a lot of space, and I think you won't feel cramped at all in this apartment. This is a really great feel in this apartment. Hey, if you have any questions about anything you're seeing here at the L2 on any of these videos, send me a text. That's my number below.